Every year, thousands of RVers lose thousands of dollars, or even their homes, because of avoidable mistakes. From exploding tires to financial disasters, RV life isn't all sunshine and open roads. Before you end up as another horror story, let's talk about what can go seriously wrong and how to stop it before it happens. RV living is often viewed as a more affordable alternative to traditional housing, but many people discover that the costs can quickly accumulate in unexpected ways. While you might save on rent or mortgage payments, several hidden expenses tend to catch new RVers by surprise. Fuel costs represent one of the most significant expenses, as RVs are notoriously inefficient when it comes to gas consumption. Whether you're pulling a travel trailer or driving a motorhome, you could easily spend over $500 monthly on fuel alone, especially when covering long distances. The cost of parking is another substantial expense that many overlook. While some campsites are free, many full-time RVers rely on campgrounds that can cost anywhere from $10 to $100 per night, potentially adding up to more than $1,000 monthly. Maintenance and repairs present another significant financial challenge. RVs endure considerable wear and tear from constant travel, leading to issues like tire replacement, roof leaks, appliance failures, and plumbing problems. Annual maintenance can cost between $2,000 and $5,000, even without major repairs. Insurance and registration fees vary widely, typically ranging from $500 to $2,000 annually, depending on your RV's type, age, and usage. Utilities and internet access add another layer of expense. Many campgrounds charge extra for electricity, particularly when running air conditioning or heating. If you need reliable internet access, services like Starlink or cellular data plans can add over $100 to your monthly expenses. While RV living can offer an exciting adventure and lifestyle change, it's crucial to understand that it isn't always the budget-friendly option many expect. Careful financial planning and awareness of these hidden costs are essential for a successful transition to life on the road. Picking the wrong RV can transform your travel dreams into costly disappointments. While many new buyers get distracted by fancy features or price tags alone, success depends on understanding four crucial factors. First, size matters significantly. An oversized RV restricts camping options, particularly in national parks with length limits, while increasing fuel costs and parking headaches. Conversely, a too small rig can feel claustrophobic, especially for families, pets, or full-time travelers needing more space for essentials. Weight considerations are equally vital for towable RVs. Understanding your vehicle's towing capacity and the trailer's gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, is critical. Many buyers make the costly mistake of purchasing a trailer first, only to discover their current vehicle can't safely tow it. Ignoring weight limits can lead to dangerous sway, tire failures, and vehicle strain. Layout efficiency impacts daily life significantly. Consider how you'll use the space. Is there adequate counter space? Sufficient storage? Comfortable seating? Can you move around when slide-outs are closed? Bathroom size and functionality are often overlooked but crucial details. Brand reliability can make or break your experience. Some manufacturers compromise on quality, resulting in plumbing issues, roof leaks, and structural problems. Research thoroughly by reading owner reviews, examining warranty coverage, and investigating common complaints about specific models. The best advice? Rent before buying. Spending time in different RV models helps you discover what truly works for your lifestyle. This hands-on experience, combined with careful research, can prevent expensive mistakes and ensure your RV adventure starts on the right track. Understanding and respecting your RV's weight limits isn't just about following rules, it's about protecting lives and avoiding costly disasters. Two critical numbers should guide every RV owner: the gross vehicle weight rating, GVWR, which represents your RV's maximum safe total weight, and the cargo carrying capacity, CCC, which tells you how much stuff you can actually bring along. Many owners don't realize how quickly weight adds up. Water alone can be a surprise. A full 50-gallon tank adds over 400 pounds. When you factor in food, camping gear, propane tanks, and tools, you might exceed your limits before you even hit the road. Overloading leads to serious consequences. Tire blowouts become more likely as excess weight creates dangerous heat buildup. Handling suffers significantly. An overweight RV takes longer to stop and becomes harder to control, especially in emergency situations. Your vehicle's critical components, from axles to transmission, face accelerated wear that can lead to expensive repairs. The risks extend beyond mechanical issues. Many insurance companies may deny claims if they discover your RV was overloaded during an accident. Plus, you could face hefty fines in states that actively enforce weight restrictions. To stay safe, weigh your RV at truck stop scales, carry only essential water and gear, and distribute weight evenly throughout your vehicle. The minimal effort of monitoring your weight limits pales in comparison to the potential consequences of ignoring them. Remember, no camping gear or convenience is worth compromising your safety on the road. Regular maintenance is crucial for RV owners, as these vehicles face unique challenges from constant movement, vibration, and weather exposure. What starts as a minor issue, like a small roof leak or underinflated tire, can rapidly develop into a major problem that leaves you stranded or causes extensive damage to your investment. Roof maintenance is particularly critical. Water is your RV's biggest enemy, as even tiny cracks in roof or window seals can allow moisture to penetrate, causing hidden rot, mold, and structural damage that often goes unnoticed until repairs become extensive. Make roof inspections and resealing a priority every 3 to 6 months. Tire safety demands constant attention. Poorly maintained tires significantly increase your risk of dangerous blowouts at highway speeds. Check tire pressure before every trip, and don't wait for visible damage. Replace tires every 5 to 7 years regardless of appearance. Uneven wear patterns often signal problems with weight distribution or alignment that need addressing. Brakes and wheel bearings require regular attention due to constant stress. Neglecting to grease bearings or inspect brakes can lead to overheating, brake failure, or wheel separation. Schedule professional inspections annually at minimum. Your plumbing system needs consistent monitoring to prevent disasters. Small leaks can quickly escalate to flooding, while frozen pipes in winter can burst, causing thousands in damage. Regular leak checks, proper winterization, and using a water pressure regulator are essential precautions. Remember, while maintenance requires time and money, it's far less expensive than emergency repairs or replacing a damaged RV. Preventative care is your best investment in worry-free travel. Proper black tank maintenance is crucial for a pleasant RV experience, yet many newcomers overlook this vital aspect of RV care. Without proper management, you risk dealing with clogs, odors, and messy, expensive cleanups that can quickly ruin your adventure. Using the right products is fundamental. RV-specific black tank chemicals are essential for breaking down waste and controlling odors. Regular household cleaners can damage your system and should never be used. Similarly, only use RV-approved toilet paper that dissolves easily, or test your preferred brand using the jar test to ensure it breaks down properly in water. A common mistake is leaving the black tank valve open when connected to a sewer hookup. This seemingly convenient practice leads to the dreaded poop pyramid. Solid waste accumulation that becomes nearly impossible to flush out. Instead, keep the valve closed until the tank is about 2/3 full, then dump everything at once for maximum flushing power. Proper dumping technique is crucial. Empty your black tank first, followed by the gray tank, allowing the cleaner gray water to help flush the sewer hose. Using a tank flush system or adding water before dumping helps prevent buildup. After emptying, always add fresh water and deodorizing chemicals back into the tank. Skipping this step allows waste to dry and stick to tank walls, creating persistent odors and cleaning challenges. Remember, a well-maintained black tank is essential for comfortable RV living. Following these guidelines will help you avoid unpleasant surprises and keep your system functioning properly throughout your travels. Selecting the right tow vehicle is crucial for RV safety. A mismatch between your truck and trailer can lead to mechanical failures, poor handling, and dangerous braking situations. Understanding your vehicle's capabilities isn't just about convenience, it's about preventing accidents. Start by learning your vehicle's key ratings. Your tow rating indicates maximum towing capacity, while payload capacity shows how much weight your vehicle can carry, including passengers, cargo, and hitch weight. The Gross Vehicle Weight Rating, GVWR, represents your truck's maximum safe weight when loaded, and the Gross Combined Weight Rating, GCWR, covers the total weight of both vehicle and trailer when fully loaded. Hitch weight, the downward force your trailer puts on the hitch, is often overlooked but critical. Excessive hitch weight can overload your rear suspension, compromising steering and braking performance. While a weight distribution hitch helps, it can't compensate for an inadequate tow vehicle. Using an undersized vehicle creates serious risks. Your truck may struggle with braking, especially on descents. Constant heavy towing can overheat the transmission, leading to expensive repairs. Perhaps most dangerous is the risk of trailer sway at highway speeds when your vehicle lacks the mass to control the trailer effectively. For safety, never tow at 100% of your vehicle's capacity. Stay at 80% or less. Consider a diesel engine for better torque and efficiency, and invest in proper hitch equipment, including sway control. Remember, a properly matched tow vehicle isn't just about power, it's about maintaining control and ensuring everyone's safety on the road. Bottom line, take time to verify your vehicle's capabilities before hitching up. Safe towing requires the right equipment and careful attention to weight ratings. Jumping into RV travel without practice is a common but risky mistake. Unlike regular vehicles, RVs demand specialized skills, greater patience, and heightened awareness, particularly for backing up, turning, braking, and navigating confined spaces. Taking time to practice these skills can prevent accidents and costly damage. Backing up often proves the most challenging skill for new RVers. Since many destinations require precise maneuvering, mastering this skill is crucial. Start in an empty parking lot with cones or markers, learning to rely on your side mirrors and backup camera rather than guesswork. Remember, practice builds confidence. Turning requires a different approach than car driving. RVs need significantly more space, and cutting corners too tightly can result in collisions with curbs, poles, or other vehicles. Take turns wide and slow, always monitoring your rear wheel's path through your mirrors. Braking demands extra attention due to the vehicle's weight. RVs require considerably more stopping distance, especially on downgrades or wet roads. Start braking earlier than you think necessary, and if towing, ensure your trailer brakes are properly adjusted to prevent jackknifing. Highway driving presents unique challenges, particularly handling crosswinds and passing trucks. Keep both hands firmly on the wheel, avoid overcompensating for wind gusts, and reduce speed when conditions demand it. For tight spaces like gas stations and campgrounds, scout locations ahead using RV-specific apps or maps to avoid surprises. Remember, spending a few hours practicing basic maneuvers in a safe environment can prevent accidents and boost your confidence before hitting the open road. Don't assume your RV is safe just because you're at a campground or rest area. RV theft is increasing, and without proper security measures, you risk losing your vehicle, trailer, or valuable belongings. Smart precautions can prevent theft and ensure peace of mind during your travels. Start with basic security. Locks. Standard RV locks are often easy to compromise, especially if you're still using factory-installed ones. Upgrade to keyless entry systems or heavy-duty RV locks for better protection. Keep all doors and windows secured, even during quick errands or when you're inside. Travel trailer and fifth wheel owners face unique risks. Thieves can hitch up and steal an unsecured trailer in minutes. Install hitch locks or wheel boots as physical deterrents. For motorhomes, steering wheel locks provide an additional layer of security, especially at rest stops. Modern security technology offers excellent protection. Battery-powered or Wi-Fi security cameras not only deter thieves but provide evidence if a crime occurs. Motion-activated lights can startle potential intruders and make your RV a less appealing target. Protect your valuables by storing them in hidden lockable compartments. Never leave expensive items like laptops, cameras, or generators visible or unattended outside. Exercise extra caution at rest areas, truck stops, and remote boondocking locations. These are common sites for break-ins. Always park in well-lit areas and stay aware of your surroundings. Remember, taking security precautions isn't excessive. It's essential for protecting your investment and ensuring worry-free travel adventures. Every RV park operates differently, with unique rules and restrictions that can significantly impact your stay. Understanding these regulations before arrival helps avoid uncomfortable situations, fines, or even eviction from the park. A little research goes a long way in ensuring a smooth camping experience. The 10-year rule catches many RVers by surprise. Some upscale resorts restrict entry to newer RVs, regardless of condition. If your rig is older, contact the park directly. Many make exceptions for well-maintained units if you provide recent photos. Don't assume your perfectly kept vintage RV will be automatically welcomed. Generator usage varies widely between parks. Many enforce strict quiet hours, typically from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., when generators must be silent. Running one outside these hours can quickly sour relationships with neighbors and park management. Consider alternative power sources like solar panels or additional batteries if you need continuous power. Pet policies require special attention. While most parks welcome pets, many enforce breed restrictions or strict leash requirements. Some designate specific pet-free areas or have special rules about waste disposal. Always verify pet policies during booking if traveling with animals. Even seemingly minor rules can affect your stay. Many parks prohibit clotheslines, restrict parking arrangements, or have specific rules about RV washing and slide-out positioning. Some limit the number of vehicles per site or regulate outdoor decorations and equipment. Remember, taking a few minutes to review park rules before booking can prevent disappointment and ensure a relaxing stay. When in doubt, call ahead and ask. Most parks appreciate conscientious campers who respect their guidelines. Water is your RV's silent enemy, often starting with barely noticeable leaks that can develop into catastrophic damage. Since RVs constantly experience movement and vibration, even small gaps in seals can lead to serious problems, with water seeping into walls, floors, and ceilings long before visible signs appear. Unlike a stationary home, your RV faces unique challenges. Regular travel subjects it to road vibrations and weather extremes, causing seals to deteriorate faster than you might expect. By the time you notice interior water stains or soft spots, the underlying structure may already have significant rot or mold damage. Critical inspection areas include roof seams and seals, particularly around vents, skylights, and air conditioning units where water can penetrate. Window and door seals require regular checks as rubber components naturally degrade over time. Slide-out seals deserve special attention since they're vulnerable to gaps and wear. Don't forget to inspect under-sink areas and plumbing connections, where slow leaks can silently destroy flooring. Implement a thorough maintenance schedule. Inspect your RV quarterly, focusing on all seals and seams, especially before and after storage periods. Use high-quality RV sealants like Dicor for roof maintenance, and keep a Turnabond tape handy for emergency repairs. Maintain a clean roof to better spot potential damage during inspections. Remember, catching and fixing a small leak today could save you thousands in repairs tomorrow. Regular inspections and prompt maintenance are your best defense against costly water damage. The road doesn't care if you're prepared or not, it will test you either way. What's the scariest moment you've had while RVing? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of disaster, click here for the next video. Stay safe and happy travels.